Welcome back with Chef Ricardo cooking program. Where I'm going to show you how you can use leftover. Why did I cook some dumpling and it's too much? And I said to myself, I can use that in the morning for my breakfast. So guys, this is I'm going to show you how you can use your leftover to do different stuff. So guys, hope you'll enjoy the recipe. And remember, the cooking book is out. Get your copy. Thank you so much for your time, for leaving your comments and watching the video. You're amazing. Thank you so much. So this is the rest of the recipe goes. Leftover fried dumpling. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, this is the leftover boiled dumpling, guys. I cut them into half. As you can see, I just cut them into half, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna fry them for roughly about 4 minutes and both sides until they get a little bit crispy. Right over here we have some oil inside the front pan. It's supposed to get it hot. Lovely. As you can see, this is ready. One. That's the leftover boiled dumpling. We're gonna fry some cabbage and sausage. So you can see they're fried. Turn it over to the other side. So lovely and fantastic to see inside. Lovely. So as you can see, lovely. So it's finished, and now we are taking them out. Looking so lovely. Nice. So as you can see, I got some cabbage and saltfish right here, and this is the leftover fried dumpling, guys. Well, I want to simply say you can have this for your breakfast if you do like leftover fried dumpling. As I can see, if you boil your dumpling and you cook too much dumpling, guys, this is what you can do for your breakfast in the morning. And enjoy the recipe. Leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. We have a lot more recipe coming up for you guys. So let's say, if you cook too much dumpling, you don't need to throw it in the bin. Leave it for the next day. Cut them into half. As you can see, I cut them into half. This is one dumpling. Cut them into half and then fry them for roughly 5 minutes on both sides. It's the best breakfast you could ever have. If you don't have an idea what I'm talking about, your grandmother back in Jamaica, oh, sorry about it. In Jamaica, we will roast these and hashes. So guys, hopefully you will enjoy the recipe and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. Bye bye.